Okay, so last time we spoke, I think we established that we have the wrong mechanical CDI, time and advance mechanism in here. Because at top dead center, we're nowhere near the pulse generator, and I believe on top dead center it should line up somewhat within range, either 180 out or right on with the pulse generator. So we're going to pull it back out. I got it top dead center on the fire, F mark, which it just moved, but I know it went forward, so I'm going to go back to the F. Hand bolt. Loosen the pulse generator. This one will have to come out all the way. This one. Okay. This. Out. So off the side, get ready for our fresh one we just put together. Okay. So that's a lot closer.
Yeah, it is.
Top dead center on the F. Facing should be facing the pulse generator now. From this point, you're either right on the money or 180 degrees out. And I feel like we're right on, so we're gonna see. How close we can get. Snug this one up real quick. Little broke screwdriver. Now all these original bolts should not be this long, I don't believe. You just got to remember from the beginning, we've been using parts that I've had laying around, and that's what we're still doing right now. So we're established that we got a decent gap. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the bolt back in. This thing's pretty tight. Don't have the pull start on right now, so I ain't gonna be able to hold that and tighten it, but I might be able to do it with a hand. Okay. Now I'm gonna put the pull start on, see where we stand. Remember, we're gonna swap the right pull starts up. I'm just gonna make sure this thing's even gonna run before we do anything. This may even came off a 70. Is how that just looks slightly different. Alright. Tighten it up. this is gonna be the moment of truth.
Yes.
If not, it's 180 out of. Just don't think so. Oh yeah, no spark plug.
Oh yeah.
You gotta always remember to put the spark plug back in.
Yeah. Makes sense on why it's out.
It's so quiet. I forgot that we had pulled this thing out last time we messed up. Didn't put it back. Whoever's in there got evacuated.
Yeah.
Got a few prime pulls at least.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pulled it straight out of the gas tank into the carburetor.
Yeah, all the moment of truth.
Oh, I gotta put some more up in there. Oh man. Which could be, you know, the pulse generator again. Being one way too far, the other.
Yeah.
It needs to go on somewhere.
Ooh, here's a big boy.
Yeah. So we'll start all the way at the bottom. Okay.
Yep.
Still ain't getting anything. The backfire still makes me feel fairly confident that we should be able to get it to run.
Yeah. You would think.
There's some combustion going on. I'll run it all the way up. Which you may have skipped a perfect spot, but again, it could be 180 out, so we'll have to figure it out as we go.
Yeah.
Don't run on none of this, and we'll flip it and see. Another backfire. You able to see that flame?
I think so.
Alright, well, let's go ahead and spin that rotor around. We ain't got two backfires in a row so far, but we did this time.
Yeah.
sounded better. I still seen a little flame.
Yeah.
So I would knock it down. Surprised no one's asked where the rest of the screwdriver's at. Even better. They hit that sweet spot.
Yeah, just right.
Let's go all the way down. Backfire, but you know, what if that coil is just not hot enough?
It could be.
Or the CDI is not correct. Try another CDI real quick.
Yeah.
Let's see if it's fine. Okay, so I pulled the valve covers off, the intake valve cover and the exhaust valve cover. It's at top dead center, and I could get a minute amount of movement, and that's not clicking you hear up and down, that's left to right, which probably ain't good either. But I think at top dead center, the cam lobes would be faced backwards, which would take all the pressure off the rockers, and the gap may be too close to the valve spring or the valves, which would might cause it not to run right. So I'm gonna adjust them, and this will about sum it up for today's video. Stay tuned for the next one. Hopefully we'll get it running.